Plant seeds are packed with nutrients and active biocompounds that would support the growth of a plant. These nutrients are concentrated in high levels and are more available during the first few days of germination. In this video, we will be telling you the remarkable health benefits of sprouts. So what are sprouts? Sprouts germinate within 2 to 7 days after planting and are one of the best sources of plant nutrients. They range between 2 to 5 centimeters long and are highly nutritional because they contain high levels of nutrients needed for plant growth. A wide variety of plants produce sprouts, and these include almond, lentils, brown rice, broccoli, beet, radish, black bean, soybean, mung bean, and pumpkin seeds. Sprouts are used in various dishes around the world, especially in Asian cuisines. They are eaten raw to get the maximum nutrients but can also be cooked lightly. Let's take a look at the health benefits of sprouts. 1. Nutritious. Sprouts contain a huge bulk of the nutrients required for plant growth, which makes them very nutritious. It is low in calories but rich in vitamins such as vitamin C and vitamin K. Minerals like magnesium, folate, phosphorus, and manganese are also found in sprouts. Magnesium plays a vital role in enzyme reactions, folate is needed for tissue development, and manganese helps for bones and connective tissues. The low anti-nutrient content of sprouts increases their nutritional value. Anti-nutrients are compounds that reduce the absorption rate of nutrients in the body. Sprouting reduces the number of anti-nutrients by 87%, making it easier for the body to absorb nutrients. 2. Helps in regulating blood sugar levels. High blood sugar level, also called hyperglycemia, is a risk factor for diseases like type 2 diabetes, type 1 diabetes, and pancreatitis. Eating sprouts may help control blood sugar levels, thus reducing the risk of these diseases. Sprouts are good regulators of amylase enzyme, used in the body for breaking down sugars. The low-carb content of the plants also contributes to regulating blood sugar levels. However, the reason behind its regulation of blood sugar levels is still debated and more research is needed. 3. Improves digestion. Sprouts have a higher amount of insoluble fiber than unsprouted plants. This type of fiber forms stool and promotes bowel movements. A study revealed that grain sprouts have up to 133% more fiber than older plants. Another study confirmed the high dietary fiber content of sprouts by showing a 226% increase in the total fiber content of bean sprouts. Fibers in sprouts are easier to digest due to their lower gluten and anti-nutrient content. This makes it a great food source for people sensitive to gluten. 4. Improves heart health. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in the world. It is caused by blockage of blood flow to the heart muscle, a result of several risk factors. Sprouts maintain a healthy heart by lowering risk factors like high blood cholesterol levels. It increases the level of HDL cholesterol, which has positive effects on the body. The amount of negative LDL cholesterol and total cholesterol is also lowered. Furthermore, researchers have associated broccoli sprout powder with a reduction in the amount of triglycerides, a fatty compound that increases cholesterol levels. 5. Boosts metabolism. Having an abundance of enzymes, and sprouts significantly improves the metabolic activity in the body. These enzymes support proper body functioning. Sprouts also contain proteins like lysine. Proteins are vital in executing several biological processes such as cell maintenance and production, organ repair, skin regeneration, bone growth, and muscle development. 6. Promotes weight loss. Fortunately, sprouts are both nutritional and low in calories. In an animal study in Korea, 2 groups of rats were fed a high-fat diet. One of the groups was introduced to broccoli sprout extract, and the researchers reported significant weight loss in the animals. Dietary fiber present in sprouts increases fullness and inhibits the release of ghrelin, a hunger hormone that is responsible for compulsive eating in overweight people. So what are the risks of eating sprouts? To grow sprouts, seeds are soaked in water and then planted in wet, humid conditions. Although these conditions are ideal for sprouting, it also encourages the growth of harmful bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. Sprouts are usually eaten raw or lightly cooked, increasing the risk of food poisoning by these bacteria. Symptoms include diarrhea, vomiting, and stomach cramps. It is recommended that pregnant women, children, and the elderly avoid eating sprouts. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 14 health benefits of spinach. Thanks for watching and bye for now.